In this Clickbank for Beginners tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can make $380 daily with free ads. Yes, you heard it correctly, free ads. In this video, you're going to learn how you can get free ads from classified ads, classified sites, and also how you can turn that free traffic in some commissions on Clickbank. So no one is sharing this information, so make sure to watch this video till end. And also, if you are new to my YouTube channel, guys, make sure to press that subscribe button and make sure to like this video to support me for making these informational videos that you can learn how to make money on Clickbank. So make sure to press that like button. So the first thing that you need to get free ads, free classified ads, you need to go and type in the freeadforum.com/home. You can see right here what should you type in. So here you can see you can place free classified ads on our high traffic classified website. So SEO friendly keywords, targeted categories, you can see that you can place free ads on these forums and get a lot of clicks to your affiliate links. To show you guys the traffic of this website, here you can see in last month 110,000 viewers. So imagine how many clicks you can get from this forum that is getting 110,000 viewers per month. Here you can see last month 130,000 viewers in August. So that is a lot of people that are coming to this website. So you can take advantage of this traffic. And here you can see also, you can see right here, 35% of the traffic is coming from United States. So there is a lot of potential customers from United States that are going to buy your products from these classified ads. So to show you guys how you can create your account, just click here to place your free classified ads and create your free account. So once you create your free account, they're going to send you guys activation link in your email address, and you're going to go on your email address and you're going to get registered. So I'm already logged in on this website, and to show you guys how this works, first of all, you need to create Clickbank account. If you are new to Clickbank, if you don't know what is Clickbank, it is affiliate network where they allow you guys to sell some products, sell some affiliate products for really high commission. These products are all digital products. I think 99.9% are digital products, and you can make really high commissions on Clickbank affiliate products. So to create account, click right here on create account. Here you can see, and they're going to ask you guys for some information like where you live, what is your country, your name, last name. After that, you're going to be asked for your banking information, so where they're going to send you money, and at the end, account information. So after you're done with that, we're going to wait for a little bit. I'm going to show you guys how you can create free ads. So once you're logged in, this is how this website looks like. So here you can see they're going to offer some premium ad for $5, but we are going to create we're going to create some free ads. We're not going to do paid ads on this forum. So here you can see some of the categories that where you can promote your work. So let's go and click on some of the categories. And the first thing before we do that, what you want to focus. So you can see that work from home has most posts. So you would stick with this most post categories, because that means a lot of people are there coming for, like here, let's say, for work from home. So they're searching to how to make money from home. So to show you guys some of the Clickbank products that are getting promoted right here, you can see wait, get paid for your opinions, real surveys, survey jobs updated for late 2019. So here you can see they're promoting right here Clickbank product. This is affiliate link, and I'm also going to click on the link to show you guys which product they are promoting. And as I said, this is a Clickbank product, and once they sign in for this website, they are going to earn commission. So they're going to make around, I think for this product, I think that they are going to earn $39. So for each sale, they're going to earn $39. That is a lot of money. So as I said, you should stick with the categories that are most popular on this website. So this is really important because you don't want to promote some random categories on you don't want to promote some random categories on this classified website because people are not really interested in. Here you can see they are interested in health, affiliate marketing, travel, but work from home is the most popular business opportunities. So you can promote some Bitcoin offers right here, but we're going to stick with work from home. So I'm going to show you guys how you can promote and which product should you promote on this website. So let's click on publish your ad for free. So let's click on that. So here you can see how publishing your listing looks like. So they're going to ask you guys for category, title, description, price, but for price you're not going to put anything. And you're going to put your listing location, so which is your targeted country, so what you want to target, and that is basically it. So I'm going to show you guys which products should you promote from Clickbank on this website. So first thing is you need to click on affiliate marketplace. After that, you should go and click on employments and jobs. So here you can see these are writing jobs. So for this writing job, if you get sale for this writing job, if someone buys this product, you can earn up to $157 per sale. So here you can see for these jobs to take photos, you can earn commission of $199. So to see this is the most interesting one because a lot of people are promoting this product and they're making a lot of sales. So you want to go and click on affiliate page so you can see some different offers that they also offer for this promotion. So here you can see video game tester. So if someone is interested in testing video games and they buy this offer from you, on average per sale you can earn $79. For this to take photos job, if someone buys it, you can earn $76. Get paid for your opinion. So this is survey job. For survey job, if someone buys through your affiliate link, you can earn $51. So what you want to do is you want to place all of these jobs. There are a lot of jobs. All of these jobs you want to place on Clickbank, on classified website. So here you can see this this offer is from 2008. So this is an old offer. A lot of people already promoted it, and also this, because it is old, there is a lot of trust in this company, so I would stick with promoting only these products on classified website. So how to promote this offer? Writing job, for example, let's click on promote and let's generate our hop link. Enter your username ID, click on generate hop link, and we want to copy it right here. So to publish our listing, you want to select which category you want to you want to promote. So we're going to stick with work from home, writing job description. So for description, you can create, you can take something if they had in affiliate page. Let's see if they have something. I think that you actually need to create. Maybe they have some email swipes or something like that. Here you can see they also offer some of the images that you can put on your website, but they don't have any email swipes. That is really bad. I don't really like that. So you need to create your own text, and here you can see 100 members per month. You can earn $1,350 profit per month, and yearly you can earn $16,000 from these 100 members per month. So it is really easy to get these members because they have first a free trial. They offer a free trial for only $1, and if they stick with the offer, they're going to get a build for some other upsells. So that is how you're going to make your most of your money. So we're going to promote this offer, and you actually need to create some text, like if you're searching to make some money from your home, then writing job is perfect for you. And you should create some longer text explaining why writing job is the best one for them, and at the end you can place your affiliate link, and also you can use some link shorteners to create this link look much better. If you don't like how it looks like, you can go and use bit.ly or tinyurl to make this link look a little bit better. So United Kingdom, we don't want to go with United Kingdom, we want to focus on United States. And at the end, please visit our website. So that is where you're going to, your affiliate link is going to be clickable. So you can put, for example, a YouTube video or something like that, but we're going to put our affiliate link. Here you can see your ad posted to 1,000 automatically, so this is really great. And they have some other extra offers. They want to upsell you guys. They want you to buy something from them, but we're going to click on no thanks. I don't want any extra exposure for my ad right now. I want to submit a free ad. So we want to just go with free ad for now. And after that, after we make some money, you can go and buy some other packages right here. But right now, till you make any sales, any money from this method, you want to stick with no thanks. I don't want any exposure for my ad right now. I just want to submit a free ad. So after you're done with that, also, as I said, you can drop an image right here. You can go and take this image, for example. You can, I think I like this one. So you can go download this image right here, upload it on this classified website. Price, you don't want to put anything, or you can put the price of the product, which is I think $1 for first 7 days, but we don't want to put anything. We're going to stick with no price. And at the end, you want to just click on publish. So they also ask you guys to select the city, but you don't want to do it. You can just go with United States. So the main focus is going to be United States, and you can go and select which one you want to target, if you want to target something else. And you can, as I said, post multiple ads on this website, which is really great. They're going to submit your ads on a lot of places. A lot of traffic are going to come to your to your ads, a lot of people are going to see your ads, and a lot of people are going to click on your ads. So I think that this is really great way to get started with Clickbank to earn your first commission. So guys, that is it for today's video. If you want to see more videos like this, more videos with free ads, make sure to press that like button. And also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, guys, make sure to press that subscribe button, because we upload daily videos every single day on how to make money online, so you don't want to miss that out. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon and bye.